This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome back. So still we are in document posting section itself, segment itself. Here in this session, we'll show you like whatever transaction we have posted. So now if you want to see the report against rent GL, like how much rent you have posted in this particular month or like in previous month. So how to get this report? This is pretty simple. You have to use a transaction code FBL3N. I'll just show you. So let me come back. Okay, so I think it is gone. Once again, I have to log in. Let me log in, guys, and then I'll show you. And even like you can customize your report layout. In the sense, I'll show you what is this report layout and all. Let me. Now, so go to FBL3N. This is what the transaction code to use. Like if you have to check GL reports and all, then which transaction code you are going to use, guys? FBL3N transaction code you are going to use. So FBL3N, and here what is your GL account? Let's suppose rent GL, and then what is your company code? TM00. That's it. And you need to click on this is called execute button. Shortcut key is F8. You just execute here. So look at here, guys. Till now, these are the three transactions which we have posted, right? These two transactions got posted against business area, and this is a blank business area. Why? Because the third transactions there, I simply made business area as a optional entry, and we have posted these transactions without giving business area, right? Now, let's suppose here this is the layout. Whatever this appearance is there in front of you, this is called a layout. There might be a chances that when you are going to open your report, here the number of fields will be more or less, or else the appearance of this report is different, right? In that case, what you have to do? In that case, you have to check it. You have to check it like, okay, so it means like some standard layout is appearing. For you guys, how you can check which layout is appearing, guys? So you can click on setting and look at here layout, and then you can click on administration, and here you can see. So like let's suppose for me, which one is appearing, guys? This one is appearing right here, this green color, one SAP. That's standard, right? Or else if you click here layout and then current. Okay, so current means what, guys? Here like with the help of this you can adjust the fields. Okay, even we are having shortcut key also. Here itself we are having shortcut key change layout. Okay, so now let's suppose like whatever my screen appearance is there is different, your is different. In that case, what you can do, guys, or is like here as I told you, like let's suppose business area field you don't want, that business area field. There is no requirement of this business area field and all. You don't want it should appear here, or else you want to bring business area from here to here, here to here. So if you don't want that, if you do not want this business area, simply you click on here, select this business area, and look at here hidden field. It means whatever these fields are appearing here right side, these all are hidden field. It means these fields are not appearing here, right? Look at here, this is called document date. But if you are able to remember the transaction posting, there we are having two dates, document date and posting date. If there is a requirement that no, instead of document date, posting date supposed to appear, or else document date and posting date both should appear, and business area should not appear. So first of all, you have to bring this business area, you have to bring this side. Where? Hidden side. It means this side is hidden side. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, so here this is your hidden side, right? And whatever these fields are there, guys, these fields are appearing here in the sense on this layout, right? So now we'll do one thing. I will just bring this business area here. Okay, look at here, business area gone. It came this side. If you want to search, you can look at here. Here it is appearing. And then you're saying that posting date is also required. There is a requirement from your client saying that posting date is also required. So look at here, document date is appearing. Now, what about this posting key, posting date? Where should it appear? So if client says that in between posting key and document date, it means just before this posting key and after document date. Okay. So what you have to say, what you have to do, first of all, you search here posting date. Here it is the posting date, and you search like where is the posting key and document date. So look at here, document date is here and posting key is here. So just in between, right, before posting key and after document date. So you select posting key first. If you select this posting key, then what is happening, guys? This posting date, if you bring here, look at here, just before posting key it is appearing, right? And if you click on copy, then look at here, posting date is appearing and business area is gone. So I have changed my layout. But after that, what you have to do, you must have to save your layout. You must have to create your layout. Okay. Say for example, I'll show you. So saving, first of all, you have to save your layout. If you're not going to save it, then system will throw error. Okay. Sorry, not sorry, I by mistake I said system will not throw any error. It means whatever my setting is there, that is gone if you don't save it. So click on save layout and save it. But yes, now it is not possible to change the standard layout. This is one SAP is standard given by SAP. So whenever you are going to create your own layout, guys, whenever you are trying to change the layout, it means you have to set up your own layout. So what you have to do here, you just need to give, you have to give your own layout name. So first of all, you have to give backslash, and then you can give your name here. Okay, or just any other code if you want to give, you can give it. And here if you want to change the details, you can change it, the descriptions, and press enter. So it means what is happening now, this changes whatever I have made just now, it is saved. I have created a different layout by my name itself, Kumar, and these settings were saved on that particular layout itself. Okay, if you click on back button, if you click on back button and just execute here, look at here, guys. Now once again the previous setting itself is appearing, business area is appearing, and documented and posting it, documented is appearing, posting it is not appearing here, and business area I already removed. Why business area is appearing here, right? That is the questions. So the thing is, whatever settings we have done is totally absolutely correct. Here the problem is you need to do one more changes, one more setting here. Click on basic layout, sorry, click on layout here and click on administrations. So if you talk about the default layout, what is your default layout? This one SAP itself is your default layout. I have created just now, so now you need to click on here. So this is now, look at here, check mark got applied here. So now this is going to be my default layout. So next time onwards, what will happen? Now we just do one thing, select this default layout, save it, and come back. So now next time onwards, if you come back also, next time onwards, what is happening if you execute, then look at here, whatever changes we have made for this, my layout I have created with my name, right? Look at here, the fields are appearing like that. If you want to remove posting key, you can remove it. If you want to add any field, you can add it. How? Look at here, with the help of this one, you can add or remove the fields. How to bring the fields and how to remove. So whichever these fields are appearing here left side, that is, these are the fields which is appearing in the layout, report layout. And look at here, clearly it is saying that these are the fields, whatever fields are appearing here, this is called hidden fields. This is called hidden fields. So if you want to bring any fields from this side to this side, then easily you can bring it as per your requirement. So this is how what is happening, guys. The whatever this GL reports are there. Okay, for that, if you want to change the layout, you can change the layout, and always better to set up your own layout. Okay, and you can make it as a default layout so that next time onwards, whenever you are going to see the GL report, it is going to show you the report as per the what to say in the exactly the layout which you have set up. In that layout itself, the report is going to be visible. Okay, so this is how you can see the report, guys, and this is how you can change the layout. So that's all in this session. Next session again, some more things I'm going to explain. Yes, we have posted like this. Okay, next session I'll explain you. Look at here, guys. Now let's suppose here we have posted these 3 transactions. Okay, say for example, this document number 1001. Okay, so there is some mistake. Instead of 6,000, let's suppose I have given amount 600, or instead of 4,000 I have given, instead of like 1,600 I have given 600, or instead of 300 I have given 600, right? Anything. So some mistake is there in this transaction. So what to do, guys? How to rectify the mistake? So in SAP we are having options. You have to reverse these transactions. You have to reverse this transaction. So what is happening after reversal? I'll show you the impact practically, how we are going to reverse this transaction. Very easy, very simple steps are there, guys. I'll show you that how the reversal is going to happen, and how you will be able to identify that which one is your reversal document. Okay, so that also I'm going to explain in the next session. So that's all in this session.